everyone. So we are here today joining you once again from the old house. I have had something under wraps for a long time. We've had this truck for a while. I don't think anybody on YouTube has ever seen it. We had it for a little bombing around truck for a while, but this is one of those collection things that my husband has held on to for many years and hasn't shared it with you. I'm here to show it to you today. We're looking at a parked 1971 Chevy custom camper Longhorn truck. They're also referred to as a C30. This is a massive truck, and as for as old as it is, we are only the second owner. We actually bought this and babied it and only put a few miles on it. As you know, farms collect a lot of mice and other vermin around, and he didn't want it parked at the farm, so it's been in the safety of the garage at our old house. We've been working on things. We know the Dodge is on its last legs, and he wants to get this out and start running it before it gets cold. Get it out, get a little exercise. So I'm here today to put some air in the tires and put the charger on the battery. The nice thing about this truck is the old fella that bought it ordered it with all the options on it that you would want to have in a Chevy Longhorn truck. And of all the Longhorn trucks that my husband owns, this one is by far the best. Mint to near mint condition. Original paint, original interior, everything about it, and because it's had a truck topper on the bed is in perfect condition. Now, if you know anything about these trucks, that's a huge deal because they are metal rails with wood inserts, and they're always bad. So to have this thing looking the way it is, I can't wait to get it out and take it for a ride and let you hear it rumble. But today we're just going to do a walkthrough real quick in our dark, messy old garage, and we're going to take you out as soon as we can. So I'm just going to show you a quick little walk around. We'll interview the husband about it, and he will tell you all about it in more details. But the thing that I like about this truck, being a farm girl, it has got towing mirrors. Now the nice thing about these towing mirrors is they actually swing out. So you can have them turned in for when you're not hauling. Haven't moved in a while, so they're really stiff, but you can also probably loosen them up, which I don't have the tools on hand right now, but I've turned it out to show you the example. You just flip this over and you've got it right where you need it to be. Now it comes off as a little gold in the lighting in here. It's actually an olive green, and the differentiating thing in a Longhorn is you've got this extra panel here that makes the truck bed longer, and that was to fit their camper. Now, like I said, the truck is a 71. I doubt the topper goes back as far as 71, but it's pretty old and it's in great shape. The body has very little damage to it. Like you can see, we got a little ding here, very little things. It's got the emblems. It's got the chrome trim with wood border in the center. But like I said, the inside of this garage doesn't give it any justice, and as you can see, I've had critters up in the loft, so it is time to get this out. I actually found out that I had a small hole in the shed and behind, and critters had been getting in here. We're in an area where there's a lot of squirrels and chipmunks, and I can see that they've been here. They're stashing their walnuts for the year. Because it was an older fellow who had it at his farm, I don't think that they used it for much more than traveling and trips. Let's see what it's got on it for miles. It's a real simple interior, and the nice thing I like about this, my husband didn't stash a bunch of mothballs in here. He swears by the mothballs and keeping the mice out. 85,021 miles. You just can't beat that in an old truck. Now I know this lighting isn't doing you much good, but look at that. We've got battery power. I don't think the battery was as bad as he thought. All right, I'm gonna leave this battery sit on here. I'm off to go do some work on my house for a little while, and I'll come back here to turn the charger off before the night because fire safety. We're doing safety checks for lights. I brought it about 12 gallons of gas. We knew that there was some fuel in it. The gas gauge, he thinks, is the only thing on the truck that doesn't work. And it's got that rumble that, you know, old vehicles have. It likes a little gas every now and then. So, taking her home. It's working. Check the brake lights. Yep. Nothing on the side. It looks like it's just a reflector. Oh, yep. Uh-huh.
Okay, now check the brake check.
Go ahead. Yep. Turn.
I already did that.
Turning signals? Yep. Wait. Yep. All right. Uh-huh. See your faces.
What?
There you go. The window is too dirty. You run.
It runs almost perfect, but it drives like me.
Good.
Perfect.
That white truck that got behind you up the road, absolutely dog tracking.
All screwed up.
I mean, the front end was so far to the left, I was like, what? I thought maybe he had a wider axle or spacers put on or something. I got on the other side of him.
Oh yeah, here's the little...
Yeah, somebody had a bug guard on the front. I told them I saw the spots there from it rubbing for years that I'd never ever seen before. Okay, so this is the 1971 Chevy Custom Camper Longhorn pickup truck. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll take you for a ride on another trip.